Your mindset will play a big role in whether or not you succeed with your business. When I first started my online business, I was very confident that I was going to succeed. In fact, I was also very confident in my offline businesses prior to getting started online. And I think the reason for this is that at a very young age, I was already reading self help books. I know nowadays self help books get a lot of flack, and some people think that they're a little woo woo. But I'll admit, self help books actually made me confident in business. So I believe that you have to be confident when you're starting a business. It's also good to set goals. You can set a goal of making $100,000 a year or 1 million, 10 million, or maybe just enough to get by or pay off your debts. But whatever it is, try to set goals and then try to reverse engineer your desired outcome to figure out what you have to do to achieve those goals. And you have to be persistent. I learned a long time ago that in order to be successful, you have to be persistent and not to give up. And you have to be aware that you're going to encounter failures and setbacks along the way. And how you react to those is going to be very important. Just know that failure is a normal part of business. I don't know of any successful business person that has not encountered any failures. Do research on any millionaire or billionaire entrepreneur, and you'll find that many of them file bankruptcy once or multiple times in their lives. And one thing I find is that once people start making money in business, they start to relax and treat their business as a hobby more than as a business. And I understand the reason they do that because they don't want to be constantly stressed out and they want to enjoy their life, spend time with their family, and just enjoy the present moment. The problem with that is that expenses and inflation may eventually catch up with you, where you realize that you're not making enough money to survive or thrive in the current economy. So just be mindful of that, and that you should always be focused on growing your business. And at the same time, don't get too stressed out that you kill yourself over your business.